In this video, I'll show you how to create a calculated field in a Google Sheet pivot table. So in this example, I have some product sales data, which shows me the sales, orders, and average order value across several different products. So what I want to do is use a pivot table and aggregate this table into the total sales, total orders, and total AOV for each of these products. So to get started, I will select the data and then go to Insert, Pivot Table, and then make sure your data range is correct. Insert to New Sheet, and then click Create. So in this pivot table view, the first step is to drag product into my rows. So as you can see, there are 5 products. So I want to aggregate the sales, orders, and AOV across these 5 products. So I'm going to drag my sales into values and then orders into values as well. Whoops, replace the sales. There you go. So I now have my total sales and total orders for each product. Now, where this gets a bit tricky is with AOV, because AOV is a calculated metric in the first place. And so when we kind of drag this into our values, the result here is actually incorrect. So as an example, if I wanted to calculate the AOV, which is the average order value for product A, this should just be my total sales for product A divided by the total orders for product A. So I should be expecting 450 divided by 29, which is around 15.517. So this, as you can see, this is the sum of AOV, but even if I were to select the average, this is still slightly off, and it's not the accurate AOV. As you can see, this is 15.53, and what I should be getting as the correct AOV should be 15.51. So the reason this is happening is what Google Sheets is doing here is just getting the average across these AOV values for product A instead of considering the total sales and total orders. So as an example, if I filter product to just product A, and then I basically get the average of these 4 AOVs here. So this is what Google Sheets is doing. So as you can see, this is 15.53, 15.53. So that is incorrect. We don't want to calculate the AOV that way. We want to calculate it by dividing the total sales and total orders. So the way to do this in a pivot table is by using a calculated field. So how to set this up is go to Values and then click Add, Calculated Field. And then once you're here, just type in sales divided by orders. So this basically just needs to be the same as your measurement names here. And then we'll just rename this into AOV. And there you have it. So this now shows me the correct and accurate AOV. Again, if I was to do a check, that would be 450 divided by 29, and bingo. So this now gives me the correct AOV, and that is how you create a calculated field in Google Sheets. So if you have any questions on how to use this, please let me know in the comments. But I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to like and subscribe.